Yo guys, what's going on? Monday86 here, back with the 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. And today I present to you my 10,000 subscriber award. Thanks to you guys. Shout out to you. Everybody, thank you for keeping this channel going. Give me the motivation I need to keep pursuing, to keep making better videos, better content, just overall. This is for you guys. Total 100% fan base appreciation. I thank every one of you, all the good comments that come through. I try to respond to all of them, try to help everybody out, tips, tricks, everything you can for this Sport Trac. It is definitely turned into my passion. I love this truck. You know, you can say that there's better vehicles out there, but just the uniqueness of this vehicle has made it my daily duty to produce to you guys the best videos that I can. So this is a big shout out to you guys. Appreciate all of you. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Many more to come. Thank you guys very much. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for making this milestone of the 10,000 subscribers. Trust me, there'll be plenty of content to come. Just keep those comments coming. Remember to like and subscribe. I appreciate all you. And as always, Monday86, out.